Hello and welcome to this Introduction to Python learning path. My name is Andy Larkin and together with Jeremy Cook, we will be your instructors for this content. Now if you have some experience with computing and you're keen to learn how to build services and applications in Python, then you are in the right place. This learning path is designed to get you started with Python as quickly as possible. My coding background is in Perl and I really enjoyed making the shift to Python, so I'm hoping I can help you get started quickly. This content will suit you if you have a basic understanding of computer programming. Now, if you are new to computing, no problem. I have made some recommendations for content start points that might suit you better in the content notes of this course. So, first, we'll introduce you to the theory and concepts of the Python programming language. Our learning objectives for this first learning path are to introduce the Python language and to be able to recognize and explain Python programming concepts. The labs in this learning path enable you to try out the concepts we cover in the lectures. The labs provide you with everything you need, so you don't need to set up anything on your own system. You can find the sample scripts in our GitHub link provided in the support materials, and at the end of this learning path there's a short assessment exam to help you prove that you have mastered this Introduction to Python skill and knowledge. Now remember, you can set the speed for how fast you learn. You can set the speed of the video delivery, and you can do the labs anytime you want. If you already know topics, just jump ahead and challenge yourself into new areas. So, what is this learning path? Well, this is the first in our Mastering Python library. In this first learning path, we introduce you to the features of Python. We introduce you to data types, arrays, variables, dates and times, OS services, and binary data. And then in our second learning path, we go deeper into Pythonic programming, functions, modules and packages, classes and meta-programming. And then, when we're ready, in our third learning path, we dive into developer tools, unit tests, database access, and modules such as PyQt. And then we get into network programming, multi-programming, scripting for system administration, and serializing data. Okay, so let's get started with Python programming.